Hello everyone, we are in the last part of our fifth chapter in social studies, Saudi Arabia. Today we will learn about occupation of the people and the important cities of Saudi Arabia. When we talk about the people of Saudi Arabia, there are two types of people, one who live in towns and cities and others who live in villages. The people in villages still lead a traditional life. The traditional people of Saudi Arabia were nomads. Even today, some of the people follow this kind of nomadic lifestyle and they are called Bedouins. Bedouins are the most important and notable among all nomads in the Arabian desert. And when we see their lifestyles, their main occupation is rearing cattle. They live in tents made of animal skin. They keep flocks of camel, sheep, and goats, and they move from one place to another along with their animals in search of food for their animals. Then, changing life. The Bedouins' way of life is changing. Now, they have started living a permanent life. Saudi Arabia is one of the biggest producers of petroleum in the world, and now Saudi Arabia is a very rich country because of the vast deposit of petroleum in the country. Petroleum has changed the life of the people of Saudi Arabia. Several large industries have been set up at Saudi Arabia using the money earned by selling petroleum. They are petroleum refineries, petrochemicals, fertilizers, cement, and iron and steel industries of Saudi Arabia. This has further increased the wealth and prosperity of the people. Then, dress. Most men and boys wear traditional loose-fitting white robes called thob. Their heads are covered with white cloth held in place with a ring. Then, women wear long robes called abba. It's a traditional black dress which the Saudi women must wear when they go out. Then, important cities of Saudi Arabia. There are two types of cities found here. First one, old and religious cities. Second one, new and modern cities. First we talk about the importance of the religious cities, Mecca and Medina. The religion Islam was founded by Prophet Muhammad in Saudi Arabia. See, you all know Muslims follow the religion Islam, and this was founded in Saudi Arabia by Prophet Muhammad. Mecca is the holiest center of pilgrimage for Muslims. Millions of Muslims from all over the world come to Mecca, the most important pilgrim center for Muslims. Medina is another religious center for pilgrimage. So, two iconic Muslim pilgrimage centers are present in Saudi Arabia. Then, modern city of Jeddah and Riyadh. The money earned by selling petroleum to another countries has been used to build modern cities such as Riyadh and Jeddah. Jeddah is a port on the western coast along the Red Sea. It is one of the busiest ports of this region. Riyadh is the capital and modern city with skyscrapers, parks, markets, hospitals, and schools. Then, Saudi Arabia is a monarchy, which means the king is the head of the country. The efforts made by Saudi Arabian government has resulted in the barren desert areas in Saudi Arabia becoming lands of prosperity. So, with this, we have completed the chapter Saudi Arabia. Thank you.